Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to host a website on Cloudflare Pages for free, step by step. First, go to pages.cloudflare.com. Click Login at the top right corner. Sign in using your Google account. It will take a moment for the dashboard to load. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top right corner, click the plus icon, and then select Pages. Here, you'll see two options: import an existing Git repository, and drag and drop your files. For this tutorial, click the Get Started button next to the drag and drop option. If you use a GitHub repository, editing your site is much easier. But if you upload files manually like this, you'll need to re-upload them every time you make changes. Now, set your project name. In my case, I'm using example-site. Keep in mind, this project name is also used for your website URL. You can see the full project URL appear below the text field as you type. After you click Create Project, you cannot change this URL later, so choose carefully. Before uploading anything, I'll quickly show the files I'm using. Index.html, style.css, and script.js. These are basic front-end files, and Cloudflare Pages supports them perfectly. Next, I go to my project folder, select all three files, right-click, choose Add to Archive, and create a zip file. Now, drag and drop that zip file into the upload area on Cloudflare Pages. Once the upload is complete, click the blue Deploy Site button at the bottom right. After the deployment finishes, click Continue to Project. Inside the project page, here, you'll see your website URL, click the domain, and your site is now live on the internet. If you want to update or edit your website later, you'll need to create a new deployment. To do that, click the blue Create Deployment button at the top right, and upload your updated files or zip again. This is why the GitHub repository method is easier. You can edit files, push changes, and Cloudflare will redeploy automatically without re-uploading. And that's it. You've successfully hosted a website on Cloudflare Pages for free. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.